You know, in this day, I realize there's a lot of crime out there. And when you spend the amount of money I have on my system and all my CDs, then you tend to get a little bit nervous. But not anymore. Now that I've discovered the Ninja alarm system. With the Ninja alarm system, I can go anywhere and feel totally safe. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, man?
Oh shit, it's one of them ninja cars, man. Oh shit. Yo, chill, man. Chill. Oh.
See, what did I tell you? If I would not have the Ninja car alarm system, I would have been stolen all the hard-earned money that I've worked so hard to obtain. Man, remember, Ninja car alarm system.
Yo, man, give me a hand, man.
Man, get the hell out of here, punk. When I leave home, I want to have that satisfaction and security of knowing that I can leave home and come back and all my stuff will still be there. That's why, from the makers of the Ninja car alarm system, we now have the Ninja house alarm systems.
Oh shit, not you again.
What up, man?
Shit.
Hey, man, you alright, man?
Oh shit.
Hey! Don't I know you from somewhere?
So, Bill, let me get your comments on that friggin' phone thing. 155 minutes.
Holy cow. $22 for a phone call, man. I was like, phone the buck be safe. You're not dealing with AT&T. Wait, hey. The Ninja car alarm system. Oh shit.